Okay. Good day, children. I am Teacher Mohammad. I am your grade 6 science teacher. Today, we're gonna learn the necessary conditions and what are needed components to run an electric circuit. Before that, have you ever wondered what if electricity has not yet been discovered? How electricity is important in your daily life? Okay, most of the things are powered by electricity. You cannot open your televisions without using electricity in watching movies. You cannot use your gadgets, your phones, in charging without using electricity and playing mobile games. You cannot open your electric fan when it's hot without using electricity. You cannot make easier and faster all your paperwork without using electricity, especially your computers. In studying, you cannot study well without using electricity. Entertainments, household chores are using uninvolved electricity. Now, what is electricity? Electricity is the movement of electrons from one place to another. How does electricity flow? The electricity flow tries to direction in a one path, and that is called electric current. What is electric current? Electric current is the kind of electricity you use every day to light your home and run appliances. This is the path negatively and positively path in one direction. And that path is called circuit. And this kind of path, you can compare it in a stream flow of water. What are the parts of a circuit? These are the components of circuit. One is power supply. This is a source of energy to move the electrons. Examples: dry cell, battery, generator, or solar cells. This is the source of energy, the power supply. Next, the connector. What is this? The wire or other conductors that link all parts of the circuit and create a path wherein current flows. The best conductors are silver, aluminum, and copper. They are good conductors of electricity. Silver, copper, and aluminum. Next, load. Load is an output device that uses electricity, such as light bulb, appliances, computers, and gadgets. The last component is switch. This switch controls the flow of electricity, can connect or disconnect the path of electric current. Now, I have here an activity. I have here an actual activity here. Please take note, if you want to conduct this kind of activity at home, these are the materials needed. One, you will need bulb. The other one is wires, scissors, electrical tape, and two 1.5 dry cells, and the small socket one. Okay? I have here the sample. I have here the example. I'll show to you. This is the sort of experimentations, the actual presentations of how the electric circuit image. One, this is the bulb. This is the switch. This is the wire. This is the battery holder. This is the battery holder. This one class, here, this is the 1.5 battery. Trying to see how the electrons, how the current or the source of energy flows and going to the bulb and produces light. I have to put the battery or the dry cells here in the dry cells holder. That one. And since this is the power source, this is the power energy, the negative one and the positive one connected to the switch. I told you before that our learnings is switch is the connect or disconnect the path or the flow of current. Okay? Try to see. Okay, it will light. Why? Because there's a proper connection from the power supply going to the switch, going to the bulb, and going to the switch. If you are going to switch off this one, since switch is the controller of electricity, no lights, no flows of current, no connection. The connection of power here is being cut. Once you are going to open this one, the electrons flows to this, going to the bulb, and it will light, produces lights. Thank you, students. Thank you for listening. That's all, and have a nice day.